So there's lots of parks here in Phoenix. Today we're at Encanto Park. It looks like a pretty big park. There's like a bunch of like little lakes and stuff. We've got our dogs, Quinn, and Sophie's over there somewhere. Hey, what are you doing? Little munchkins. So yeah, we're just gonna go wander around this park for a while, and then Amy's gonna go dress shopping with her friends, Hannah and Taylor, and then I'm gonna go check out this really cool park called Papago Park. And it looks like it's like full on like desert oasis, and I really want to scout out a shot because I'm gonna try to get there at sunrise tomorrow, super early in the morning, because that's what we do on vacation apparently. But today I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get the shot kind of framed and stuff and see where I need to be so that when it's really early in the morning and I get there, I don't have to try to figure out like every single step of it. Well, Quinn is pulling my arm off, so let's go check out this park.
So this behind me is called Enchanted Island. It's like a little park inside the park, but you have to pay to get in, so we're not gonna go there, but it looks pretty cool. Definitely for kids, but just something cool to go do if you have kids and you wanna go to the park.
So I made it to Papago Park. There's the hole in the rock. Apparently that's a big deal, but I'm actually looking for a certain shot I saw on Instagram. I'll show it to you here. I'm trying to get that kind of similar angle. So I've never been here before, so I'm gonna cruise around on the Onewheel and try to figure out where that actual shot is, and then kind of figure out where I'm gonna be, and then that way tomorrow morning when I get here, it won't be so hard to figure out like every step of it or where everything is when it's all dark and stuff. So that looks like the super busy trail. We're gonna cut over here and just see what we can find. All right, so I'm pretty stoked because I think I got out of the no drone zone. I am in a like kind of protected area on DJI, but I've gotten authorization to fly, so let's send it up. I didn't really find the Oasis spot. I think it's on the other side, but that was super fun to send the drone up. We're gonna cruise over on the other side now. I'm gonna pack this guy up. I'm gonna find this shot for sure. Okay, this is pretty cool. I found the Oasis, all the water Oasis, and there's a group of like Native Americans doing like a chant. Super cool. I'm just gonna go in on a Onewheel. Let's see what happens. Practice. Dude's cool, throws me a shotgun. Super cool. They were all super cool about it. They're like, yeah, man, go for a film. You can see it. It was rad. Okay, so, but the good news is, I found it. I found the Oasis. Now we got to just figure out how do I frame this shot so to get that similar shot. Let's go cruise over here and see what we can find. Yeah! Okay, I found it. So that's the backdrop in the photo, and then the water feature is actually, it's over here. So I thought it was on the full other side. It's just tricky, you know, the desert turns you around. So I need to be all the way over there on the other side of that water, shooting this way, and the sun, which is right there in the sky right now, it's like 2 o'clock, should be behind it for sunrise, and I'm gonna be right over there. I'm gonna go scout it right now and figure out my exact positioning and try to get the shot. Yeah. Okay, there's the water. There's the water right there. Let's try to get to the other side of it. How do we get over there? How do we get over there? We gotta find a little trail or something. There's a road, it looks like. Okay, we're gonna cut through here. This is the beauty of the Onewheel, man. You can just cruise. What's up, prairie dog? Oh, found some wild prairie dogs. So far, we're all good. Lots of bike paths and stuff. This place rules for a one-wheel. This is so fun. Okay, so here's where we gotta go. We gotta cut through here. Don't tell nobody. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're back in the other area, the park area. Okay, so I think the guy that got that cool shot, yeah, he was right over here. So we gotta take a look at the framing here and see. So he went up the hill, I think. So let's hike it. Oh, here we go, we're getting there. We almost got the shot. Where's he gonna be? Go a little higher. Dude, this dude went all the way up here, man. Whew. He probably didn't have a one wheel with him though. This thing's so heavy, it's 25 pounds. Okay. Thankfully I've made it as high up as I can go. Got a rock formation here. I'm wondering if he was like right, yep. Dude was right here. Okay. So here's the shot. Let's check my phone again. Yeah, so he's centered right on these palm trees. And he's got that in the background. All right, until the morning, I'm out. Okay, I lied. So it's not morning yet, but I just looked at this. It looks like a cool downhill, all knobby and stuff. And then I actually might be able to ride all the way up into the hole in the rock spot on the one wheel. So I'm just gonna do it, dude. Let's see if we can ride up this stuff. There's probably no way. I'm probably gonna get all cut up, but whatevs, man. All right, it turned into stairs, wheels and stairs, no mix. So we're just gonna carry it. But I'm gonna make it to the top of this stupid thing. Okay, the way I came up is super steep. I don't know if I can make that. Probably not because of the drops. So I'm gonna go down that way. I think I can make it down that way. We're gonna try it. Okay, so too steep. Maybe the next one, but that was a good fall. Okay, so now I will see you tomorrow morning and I'll be at that spot way over there, getting ready to shoot the photo. See you in the morning. Okay, as promised, I made it back. It's super dark, it's like 35 degrees. I'm gonna get my camera ready, get this shot composed, and then we can start shooting. I've got the shot, it's framing up nicely right here. If you guys can see that a little bit, I'm trying to get it pretty similar. Here's a shot I'm trying to kind of get. Here's where I'm at. I can show you what it looks like if I just speed that shutter up so you can start to see, like, it's pretty similar. He has a better foreground for sure, but I'm pretty close. All right, let's start shooting. All right, so I think I got it. I think I got the shot. I'm gonna head back now, throw all these into the computer and start editing them and see what we can get out of this sucker, but I think I got it. Okay, I just got done editing all the photos and I'm super stoked how they came out. Here they are. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Even if you hate them, just tell me. But I'll show you the inspiration photo and I'll show you the one I ended up editing, and then one other one that I caught on the way out of the park that I just really loved, so I wanted to share. So thank you guys so much, honestly, for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.